for today. Sounds like it's a Penske box truck, and then they drove in, nose in to somebody's front yard there, or backyard. Not too sure exactly how it's set, but they sent over a picture with the whole box truck dug into some grass and mud, but it looked like the road was right behind them, so it looks like it won't be too bad of a pull. Probably just need a 1 winch line just to hook onto it, have them put it in neutral or reverse, get it rolled back onto the road, or back onto some solid ground anyway. So we're heading up that way now, and then I'll let you guys know when we get there. Turn around right here. Hello. All right, we should be able to get it up pretty good, pretty easy here. Let's see here. Last time I did this was on Big Springs. Let's see, I can wrap a chain through here actually. It's right on the frame. That way I'm away from the airbags. I think that should be good. Let's see. Yeah, because I got the low bar, it should hang on. There we go. Make sure it's not stuck on anything here. No, it's not buried too bad. What I'll have them do is I'll have them put them in reverse when we put the line on there. That way we get some extra pull on it. These tires are dug in pretty good. I'll turn the wheel so we'll miss that rock wall. There we go. Let's see. There's a yeah, I don't want to be anywhere near the airbags there because those are easy to puncture. I can wrap a chain through the top here, down through the back there. I think that should work. All right. I'll get my line on there, and then once I get the line on there, I'll probably have you put it in reverse. Yeah. And then I'll have you turn the wheel real hard, that way we'll miss the wall here. Okay. But once we're back in the gravel, it should be fine. All right, cool. Appreciate it. Yeah.
We would have broke everything.
I saw we went back on home.
Alright. I got a good chain here. That chain used to be there. Let's see, where'd it go? Where'd it go? What the heck? Oh, there we go. Let's see here. Yeah, I think this is gonna be the best option. Put it up to the frame. That one, when we pull it, it's gonna be like that. It won't need much pull, just enough so we can get some traction. Make sure this side, not anything that can bend or break. Let's see here. I'm not on any wiring. All right, that's good. It's all tucked underneath the frame on the side. All right, we get the line tight here. All right, then if you want to turn that wheel real hard. All right, there we go. Oh, let's see here. Want to give it a little bit of gas. See here. Here, hold on. There we go. You want to straighten the, if you want to turn the front wheel that way, we'll straighten it out, and there we go. There we go, now it's coming out. There, you want to give it some gas? Now turn the wheel. I'll get the line pulled out of here, out of the way. All right, there we go. Sweet.
Damn.
There we go, that's a heavy one. Yeah, We just had to get it straight just to get out of that first hole there, and then it came out good. Whew. All right. There we go, there we go. And it pulled me back a little bit too. Even with the wheel up in the ground, it's just so much weight downhill. Whew. All right. Put the chain back up here and pull the winch in. There we go. Oh, it's on this side. This side pulled back over. Whew. You guys can see just how much I was sliding there. I went back about a foot. Alright, there we go. We'll see where they want to head out from here. Alright, there we go. Were you guys just trying to back up here? Or?
Yeah, we'll just back up.
We'll just back up. Okay, well, you guys are all set? Yeah, have a good day. Alright guys, we got that one out of there. You see there, it was just so much weight with the engine and everything downhill and all the gear that's loaded into that box truck there that it just didn't want to come out of there. And at first I thought you should turn the wheel right away because we don't have much room on the back, but I noticed that with the wheels turned all the way, it just gave us too much resistance, so that's why I had him turn the wheel straight just enough so we could get it to start moving. Once it started moving, he could crank it, and then that way it would come up out of that hole. I was able to give him enough pull with him putting it in reverse that it got some traction and started moving backwards. But man, that was a lot of weight. You can see there, my tires and my truck, even with the wheel lift in the ground, I still slid back about a foot. And that's why I needed him to give it a little bit of gas so he could help out my truck, because there's just so much weight downhill like that. that even for this record, it's a little bit much for it. We got him out of there, no problem. He's able to finish the rest of their work they got to do down there, and back on the road for the next call. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys on the next one.